Hey everybody, I hope everybody's having a blessed day or night whenever you decide to watch this. Right now I'm just about to try to organize or clean out my refrigerator and freezer. Just that's all I'm doing. So hope I can. I don't know if y'all can see. Hopefully you guys can. Here we go. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Hope everybody having a great day. Just trying to just wipe it out a little bit and ask him to bring. Of course, obviously, I'm going to sweep my floor. Wiping it out. Oh, that's scared. I don't know what that was. My brother brought these off-brand pancakes. I hope they're good. But I am grateful. I just hope they're good. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? That right there. What's this is? I don't know. Right there. Right there. Oh, this row. They're right there. Close this. Get this out. It's all here. Okay. Tea. I don't put my bread in here, y'all. I'm putting the bread in here. Get out. Get out. Get out. What's that? What is this? Ugh. What's that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I almost threw away these hot wings, boy. On the X side. Butter. Just gonna go and take it out. Here. There. Jalapeno peppers. Hot peppers. I'm just gonna do it. When does this expire? Do it. I don't know. My cucumbers and some Here that is. Putting soap on the towel, clean it, wiping it off. Yep. Okay, about to set this in here. What in the world? What's a little bitty? Anyway, I had ended up getting some honey turkey meat, some beef hot dogs. Extra thick cooked bacon, and some more hot dogs. I like my hot dogs kind of burnt. I got some of this meat and I'm about to fix something for the boys. Or whatever in a minute. Anyway. Some stuff I got from the store. Some milk. I told them to get whatever. This milk. Yeah, I get the cheaper milk. Yes, I do. So what? Who cares? I got some ketchup. I'm not big on cooking. The only thing I cook is taco stuff, so that's what I'm making. I don't cook like that. My boys, teenagers, they cook for themselves. But I do cook. I do fix tacos. I do that. Favorite creamer for my coffee. I'm a coffee drinker. Yes, I am. That. Yeah. I can't breathe. I'm gonna set that right there. Set this right there. And yeah. I had wiped the bottom of my refrigerator already, like the very bottom, so I'm sticking these. Yep. Y'all can see. That stuff up there, I gotta get it. I don't know. I'm gonna leave this for my nephew and my niece when they come over. They probably eat that cereal. I don't eat that. I eat cereal, but not that bread because it's it's just paper plates in here. That's what that is. I gotta learn how to get organized. I'm so not so organized. But anyway, y'all, I'm glad y'all was here to watch me. Watch me clean up my freezer and refrigerator. It's just, I just clean. I don't know. You probably can't hardly see, but anyway, thank y'all for watching me, and I'm about to try to straighten up some more. And y'all have a blessed day. Okay. Keep God first. Love you. Peace out.